Welcome back, my wonderful viewers. Today we are diving into the world of delightful and nutritious beverage, which is the non-dairy refreshing Tigernut drink. It's packed with flavor and a lot of health benefits. We have here 20 cups of water, a quarter cup of chopped fresh ginger, 1 cup of pitted dates, which gave me 24 seeds. Be sure to wash the dates properly and remove the seeds because some weevils can be trapped in some. So clean very well to get rid of any trapped in dirt or weevil. 1 coconut, which gave me 3 cups of chopped coconuts. Then we have 5 cups of tiger nuts. That's the main ingredient. That means the ratio of the tiger nuts to water I used for this recipe is 1:4. And that's 5 cups of tiger nuts to 20 cups of water. Ensure the water is fit for consumption as no form of cooking or boiling is required while making your tiger nut drink. It's Oluwatunseyi here and you're welcome to my channel. So grab your ingredients and let's embark on this delicious journey together. There are 2 types of tiger nuts, the dried, that is the already dehydrated ones, and then the wet or fresh ones like what I'm using for this demonstration. I bought these ones like this, fresh tiger nuts. By the way, have you taken a close look at the tiger nuts? Look at the skin, the color, and the look. They look like that of the skin of a tiger, isn't it? Hence the name tiger nuts. I decided not to make the drink overloaded with spices, so I only added ginger. Some people go the extra mile to add other spices like cloves, turmeric, cinnamon, black pepper, and some other ones. But if you're already used to taking or adding spices to your meals, dishes, or recipes, you can also skip the spices and make it a simple drink. I have 3 methods of making the tiger nut drink or tiger nut milk. The first one is the instant tiger nuts drink, where I pour in the dried tiger nuts into the blender after properly washing, add some very cold water, blend, sieve, and then the tiger nut milk is ready to be served chilled. The second method is rehydrate the dried tiger nuts in water by soaking for at least 5 hours, overnight, or for 24 hours. Blend, sieve, and keep in the fridge or freezer depending on when it is to be consumed. And the third method is what I will demonstrate in this video using a juicer. Sit back and watch to the end because I'll be giving some tips to help you make tiger nut drinks that last longer and also look good even after freezing. Loading my tiger nut with too much calories is what I don't like to do. Take for instance, 1 banana contains so much calories. Okay, Dates are also high in calories too, so adding too much of all of this can only mean increasing the calorie content in your tiger nut milk or drink. Don't forget that tiger nuts themselves are naturally sweet as non-dairy nuts. Don't also forget to snack on your tiger nuts to enjoy the whole nutrients and fiber in them. To increase the shelf life of your tiger nut drink, if making a large batch, drop some ice into the blended mix, or you blend with very chilled water or throw some ice cubes into the blender while blending. Some people add sweet potatoes, spices and other things, okay? Like I mentioned the spices before, okay? Remember, it is homemade and you are at liberty to add whatever is best for you, okay? But I also like to keep it as simple as I can. Also, I do not load it with too much calories, and if you're trying to lose some weight, take note of this. These are the chaff, okay, and they are going into a waste now. So these are not wastes. It is very good to add to your bakings. You can keep it like this in the freezer, or you dehydrate or dry to keep in the dry form. Even after drying, you can blend further to make it a flour, or to make it into a flour, or keep it in a powdery form. Most times I don't blend the tiger nuts with dates or any additives. I make it 100% tiger nut drink, and it's usually nice. But if I need to add anything like date syrup or any other thing, I can do that after blending or when I want to take the drink. Remember, I said I sometimes take it as purely tiger nut drink. Another advantage in that is that you can add the chaff to your swallows, like when you're making your fufus or your fufu. I mean the foods you make for swallows. You can also add to your beverage, your paps, oatmeals and the like. They make up a high volume of fiber. This is all we got in total. We added 20 cups in all, and we got 20 cups of the tiger nut milk. Now to the bonus. 2 tips to make it last longer and good looking. I call it 2 C's, the 2 C's. The first C is cold water, adding cold water while blending, I had explained earlier. The second C stands for coconut. Do not add coconut to your tiger nuts. I will explain. If you are used to taking coconut very well and using it in a lot of recipes like coconut milk, coconut flakes, granola, in your cakes and as snacks, you will not need to worry about omitting or skipping it in your tiger nut drink. Coconut, as you know, contains oil. Of course, we know of coconut oil. So when frozen and probably you try to defrost or allow to thaw, you may notice some sort of broken packs of volumes of coagulated particles, which does not mean that the drink is no more fit for consumption. It's only that it may not look appealing to the eyes or may not look presentable. If that happens, simply pour into a mixing bowl and using your hand mixer, pop some air in and break or loosen up all those particles. And then you will have a smooth consistency of the tiger nut milk. I hope that helps. Thank you. As we wrap up this tiger nut drink tutorial, I hope you will enjoy creating this wholesome non-dairy drink as much as I did sharing the recipe with you. Remember to hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy recipes, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay refreshed, stay healthy, keep those taste buds tingling, stay safe, stay blessed.